Curious about the way Elasticsearch is transforming our ability to manage vast quantities of data in real time? Well, let's dive in. Elasticsearch is a NoSQL database designed for rapid search and analytical operations across vast amounts of data. Now, this isn't just a database, it's a game changer in the world of real-time data management. It's having a substantial impact on areas like DevOps and cloud architecture, making it a versatile tool in our data-driven world. So Elasticsearch is a powerful tool that is changing the way we handle and analyze data. Well, what makes Elasticsearch stand out from other data management tools? Well, a few key characteristics set it apart. First off, Elasticsearch is distributed by nature. This means it can handle a high volume of data by distributing the load across multiple nodes or servers. This distributed nature also contributes to its robustness, as the failure of one node doesn't bring the whole system down. Next, let's talk about speed. Elasticsearch shines when it comes to fast, efficient data retrieval. It's designed to perform complex searches in near real time, making it a powerful tool for real-time data analysis. And finally, scalability. Elasticsearch can scale horizontally, meaning it's easy to increase its capacity by adding more nodes to the network. This makes it incredibly flexible and capable of handling growing data demands. These unique characteristics make Elasticsearch a highly efficient tool for managing and analyzing large data sets. How does Elasticsearch compare to traditional relational database management systems? Let's delve into that. A relational database management system, or RDBMS, is a staple in data management known for its structure, integrity, and consistency. It's like a meticulously organized filing cabinet, but what if your data isn't so neatly categorized? Enter Elasticsearch. It's designed for flexibility, able to handle unstructured data with ease. Think of Elasticsearch as a master librarian, capable of finding that obscure book in a sprawling library, and fast. Elasticsearch also shines when it comes to scalability. As your data grows, Elasticsearch scales with it, maintaining high performance levels. In contrast, RDBMS can struggle to maintain efficiency as volumes increase. Finally, Elasticsearch's real-time analytics capabilities are a game changer. While RDBMS can perform analytical operations, Elasticsearch does it in real time, providing valuable insights faster. While RDBMS has its own strengths, Elasticsearch offers more flexibility and power when dealing with complex, large-scale data. Elasticsearch is more than just a search engine. It's part of a larger toolkit known as the ELK Stack. This powerful trio consists of Elasticsearch, Logstash, and Kibana. Together, they form a robust platform for managing, analyzing, and visualizing data. Here's how they work together. Elasticsearch, the heart of the stack, carries out the search and analysis operations. Logstash is responsible for collecting, processing, and storing data. Kibana, the visual component of the ELK stack, allows users to interact with the data in a graphical interface, making it easier to spot patterns, trends, and anomalies. The ELK stack is instrumental in monitoring cloud infrastructure. It provides real-time insights into system performance, helping to detect issues before they escalate into significant problems. By using Elasticsearch as part of the ELK stack, you're not just searching data, you're leveraging it to make informed decisions and take proactive steps. The integration of Elasticsearch with Logstash and Kibana in the ELK stack provides a comprehensive solution for data management and analysis. Elasticsearch has more to offer. Let's delve into some additional key concepts and use cases. One such concept is indexing. Much like a book's index, Elasticsearch uses this to ensure information can be found quickly and accurately. Another vital concept is nodes, which are essentially servers storing data and participating in the cluster's indexing and search capabilities. Clusters, the larger entity, are collections of one or more nodes that together hold an entire dataset. Now let's look at how Elasticsearch is used in real-world applications. In e-commerce, it powers the search functionality, allowing customers to find the products they want quickly. For log and event data management, Elasticsearch is used to store, search, and analyze log files efficiently. And in the realm of security analytics, it helps in detecting threats and anomalies by analyzing vast amounts of log data in real time. From online shopping to security analytics, Elasticsearch has a wide range of applications. So why is Elasticsearch considered the grand finale of search engines? As we've journeyed through this video, we've seen Elasticsearch's power in real-time data management, its flexibility compared to traditional RDBMs, and the expansive toolkit offered by the ELK Stack. We've highlighted its versatility from DevOps to cloud architecture and its role as a Swiss Army knife in the data realm. With its unique features and wide range of applications, Elasticsearch is truly the grand finale of search engines. So, in concluding the video, remember that Elasticsearch is the search engine of choice for those who require excellence. Thank you very much for watching. Stay tuned for the next video.